Hello, this is a quick Jobi walkthrough. We're going to start with the device, with the mobile device version of the app. This is what your field workers are going to see. This is how you can start how they can start the project. Their work. They can choose the project, the work type, and they'll save, and it starts the running clock. Now from here they can change the entry in case they're switching projects midday. They can take a break, or they can end their shift, and then they write miles, lunch break, or any expenses. From here right away they can input a material that they're going to use, choose a project, and the material that comes off straight from the material bank. Now as soon as you choose the project, unit and purchase prices are already filled. You just need to fill in the count and then add the receipt right here. Now in case this time tracking thing is not suitable for your guys, then we can just add a work entry from here at the end of the day or at the end of the week. We can add any additional information like miles, lunch break, or any expenses. Now let's go to the admin side. Now in the admin side we have customers. Here's the list of the customers and their information. We have quotes. We can track pending quotes, delivered quotes, won quotes, and from the quotes that we won, we can automatically add them into the projects. Here we have our projects. Now inside of the project, there's every little detail that you're going to need, which is sub projects, working hours, what employee worked where, what type of work they were doing. Now we have materials associated with the projects. We have files, for example, drawings or painting jobs. Then we have any reclamations. We can resolve them and unresolve them right from here. Hopefully you won't have any. Now here are the tasks that were associated to the project. We can obviously click them done and undone right away from here, and as soon as the employee finishes the task, it will be updated here in real time. As well as we have any notes, lights out, door code. Then we have reports. You can report by hours, by materials, or by miles. And here we have all the information. You can also print it as a PDF or download as a CSV, depending on what software or what program are you using. And here we have the best part, which is a pie chart of expenses. We can track the project price, expenses, margins, and we can see what type of expenses we carry. Now, here's the job planner. It's a calendar view basically of what type of worker is doing what on what day. And you can color code it obviously for easier understanding. And you can track it right here by week, month, or year. Now, here's the task queue is where we assign tasks to our employees. Here we have Arthur, Harry. And to add a task to the employees, it's easy to click a button, write a task, put a deadline, include it to the project, write any comments. If we want to include that to the calendar, it's going to go back to the job planner calendar view. We can add any of the materials and we'll save it. Here's their brand new task. Now we're going to the invoices. Create a new invoice as simple as just import an existing project. And here you have all the information about the project, so you can just save it, finalize it right away. Now here's the employee tab. We could track what worker is currently working, what roles they have, their email, phone number, and information, and we can just as easily export their wages in a couple